Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to fix message notification not working on Narzo 100 Lite. Let's start the video if you want to fix this problem. So go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in settings, scroll down. Scroll down and click on apps. After click on apps, click on app management. Scroll down and click on messages app. After click on messages app if you want to fix this problem, so click on force stop. After click on force stop, again click on force stop, you will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, click on settings app, scroll down and click on sound and vibration and click on do not disturb. If you want to fix this problem, so make sure turn off do not disturb mode. After turn off do not disturb mode, you will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, so make sure turn off sleep mode. Click on settings app, click on sound and vibration, click on display and brightness, click on eye comfort and sleep and turn off sleep mode. After turn off sleep mode, you will check your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, so last solution is reset all settings. Go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down to and click on system and update. Click on backup and reset phone and click on reset all settings. After click on reset all setting, enter phone pin and click on reset. After click on reset, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix message notification not working on Narzo 100 Lite. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.